Before proceeding further, let us consider three bodies of masses m, 2m and 3m arranged at the corners of an equilateral triangle of side L. What is the work done or what is the final potential energy? Here suppose m is brought first, the work done is 0. Then if 2m is brought here, the work is done against the potential of m, so that is minus gm into 2m by L, that is minus 2gm square by L. If the third body is brought, we have to do work against the potentials of m and 2m. The work done is equal to minus 3gm into 3m by L minus g 2m into 3m by L. The total work done is equal to minus 2gm square by L plus 3gm square by L plus 6gm square by L. So it is minus 11gm square by L. Now let us consider a square and arrange the bodies at the corners of the square and find what is the work done in arranging them one after the other, what is the total work done, what is the total potential energy. Suppose we have got a square of each side of length d. Suppose this square is placed at some place where there is no gravitational field or gravitational potential of any source. Suppose this is the square of side D. The square is ABCD. Suppose we bring first body of mass m kept at the corner A. Since there is no potential or no force, the work done in bringing it is 0. The work done in bringing the first body is 0. Suppose we have brought the second body and keep it here. Then the work done in bringing the second body, W2 is equal to minus gm square by d. Suppose we have brought the third body and kept it here. At this point, there are two potentials, one due to the body at A, another due to the body at B, then the third body at C has to do two works. So the work W3 is equal to minus g m into m square by the distance is root 2d against the potential of the body at A minus g m square by the distance d between B and C. Suppose we bring the fourth body and kept here. Now at the corner D, there are three potentials. One due to the body at A, another due to the body at B, and third one due to the body at C. So we have to do three works. So W4 is equal to minus g m square by d square due to this. Due to this it will be minus g m square, sorry, it is not d square, it is d, minus g m square by root 2d. Then due to this it is minus g m square by d. The total work done in arranging all of them, W is equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4 is equal to gm square by d. There are 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is minus 4 gm square by d. And gm square by root 2d, there are 2 terms, minus 2 gm square by root 2d. So this will become minus g m square by d common, bracket 4 plus root 2. That is 5.414. That is minus 5.414 g m square by d. This I have done in the beginning itself because most of the time it is asked. If you want, we can have a more general case where the masses are different. Okay, suppose this is mass m1, mass m2, here we have kept mass m3, here we have kept mass m4. This distance is between 1 and 2, this distance is between 2 and 3, this distance is between 3 and 4, this distance is between 1 and 4. This distance is between 1 and 3, and this distance is between 2 and 4. Now, even in this case, the work done in bringing the first body is 0. The work done in bringing the second body. This is G. Already M1 is existing there. M1, M2 by D12. The work done in bringing the third body W3 is equal to, it is brought against the potential of M1 and against the potential of M2. So this is minus G M1 M2 by root 2D minus G M2 M3 by D. The work done in bringing the fourth body. Here there are 3 potentials already existing, so there will be 3 terms for work. One is G M1 M4 by D14 root 2D. This can be written as M1 M2 by D, D12, M2 and 3 means